Have you ever stood in front of your half-opened suitcase, wondering why packing always feels harder than the actual trip itself? Have you ever told yourself, "I'll pack light this time," but somehow the suitcase still refuses to close? Or maybe you know that familiar moment when you ask, "Did I forget something?" even after checking everything twice? Welcome back to the Vibe English podcast, where English becomes easier, stories become more relatable, and every lesson becomes a small adventure. Today, we're starting a brand new series about airport English, and we'll begin with the very first challenge of every journey: preparing your luggage. Before the excitement of boarding a plane, before the long lines at airport security, and before the moment you finally settle into your seat, there is always that quiet, chaotic, unforgettable moment in your bedroom or your living room when you try to pack your suitcase just right. And believe it or not, this moment is full of English expressions we use all the time. You'll hear conversations like, "Are you done packing yet? What are you missing? Don't forget your toiletries. I always bring too much." These are simple sentences, but they appear in real-life travel situations again and again. In today's episode, I'll take you through 10 practical, natural, everyday conversations between two people preparing their luggage. These dialogues are not just for English learning. They are mirrors of our own travel habits, our worries, our excitement, and the little details that make every trip memorable. So, as you listen, imagine yourself packing for your next adventure. Maybe you're going on a business trip, maybe a family vacation, or maybe a solo journey to a place you've always dreamt of. Each conversation in this episode will help you learn useful English expressions, improve your listening and speaking, and feel more confident in real travel situations. And who knows, by the end of this video, you might become the kind of traveler who packs faster, smarter, and maybe even lighter. Well, at least we can hope. So take a deep breath, zip open your imaginary suitcase, and get ready to step into the world of packing, where every item matters, every decision counts, and every sentence is a chance to improve your English. Now, let's dive into Conversation 1, Preparing Your Luggage. Hi, are you done packing your luggage yet?
Not really. I still have a few things to pack.
What are you missing?
My toiletries and a few shirts.
Make sure you pack light.
I know, but I always bring too much.
Do you need a checklist?
That would help. I don't want to forget anything.
Did you pack your charger and headphones?
Yes, I already put them in my backpack.
What about your travel pillow?
Oh, not yet. I'll grab it now.
Good. Long flights can be tiring.
Thanks for reminding me.
No problem. Safe packing.
Thank you. See you later.
2. Checking passport and documents. Hello? Did you check all your travel documents?
Hi. Yes, I checked them twice.
Do you have your passport with you?
Yes, it's in my backpack.
And your ID card?
Also in the same pocket.
What about your boarding pass?
I downloaded it on my phone.
Good idea. Phones are convenient.
Exactly. Paper tickets can get lost.
True. Did you print a backup copy just in case?
No, should I?
It's always safer.
Okay, I'll print one now.
Great. Now you're ready.
Thanks. See you at the airport.
3. Booking a flight. Hey, have you booked your flight yet?
Not yet. I'm still comparing prices online.
How many options do you have?
Maybe 5 or 6.
Which airline looks best?
The one with free baggage.
That's helpful. Extra baggage fees are expensive.
Exactly. I want to save some money.
Did you check different dates?
Yes, but the prices are similar.
What about flying early in the morning?
Oh, I didn't try that.
Early flights are usually cheaper.
Let me check now.
Good luck with your booking.
Thanks. I'll let you know once I book it.
4. Calling a taxi to the airport. Hi, are you ready to call a taxi to the airport?
Yes, I think we should leave soon.
What time is your flight again?
It's at 9 a.m.
Then we should call a taxi now.
I agree. Traffic might be heavy.
Should I book a Grab or a traditional taxi?
Grab is fine. It's usually faster.
Okay, let me check the app.
Are there any cars available?
Yes, one driver is 5 minutes away.
Perfect.
I'll book it now.
Great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. See you when I get back.
5. Arriving early for the flight.
Hello. What time do you want to leave for the airport?
Hi, I think we should leave 3 hours early.
3 hours? That's quite early.
Yes, but I don't want to rush.
True. Better early than late.
Exactly. I still need to check in.
Do you have any luggage to drop off?
Yes, just one suitcase,
Then going early is a good idea.
right? I feel more relaxed that way.
What time is it now?
It's 5:30 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
I know, but I prefer being safe.
Okay then, let's get going.
Yes, let's go now. Thanks for coming with me. 6. Saying goodbye before traveling.
Hey, are you all set for your trip?
Yes, I think I'm ready.
I'm really going to miss you.
Don't worry, I'll only be gone for a week.
Still, the house will feel empty.
I'll call you every day.
Promise?
I promise.
Make sure you take care of yourself.
I will.
And text me when you arrive.
Of course.
I hope you have a safe flight.
Thank you. Your support means a lot.
Have a great trip.
Thanks. See you soon. 7. Checking flight information. Hi, did you check your flight status yet?
Yes, I checked it this morning.
Is everything on time?
Yes. No delays so far.
That's great to hear.
I feel more relaxed when the flight is on schedule.
Did they change the gate number?
Not yet.
Sometimes they change it last minute.
I know. That's why I keep checking.
What time do you need to be at the airport?
At least 2 hours before departure.
That's reasonable.
I just want everything to go smoothly.
It will. Have a smooth journey.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
8. Packing liquids correctly. Hello. Have you packed your liquids yet?
Not all of them. I'm still organizing.
Make sure each bottle is under 100 milliliters.
Yes, I bought travel size ones.
Good. Did you put them in a clear bag?
Not yet. I need to find one.
I have an extra bag. Want it?
Really? That would help.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Security is very strict with liquids.
Yeah, I don't want them to throw anything away.
Double check everything before closing your luggage.
I will.
Are you done now?
Almost. Just one more bottle.
Great. Safe packing.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
9. What to wear for a long flight. Hi, have you decided what to wear for the flight?
Yes, I'm thinking of wearing something very comfortable.
Like what?
A hoodie and loose pants.
Good choice. It can get cold on the plane.
I know. I always get cold easily.
Are you bringing a jacket too?
Yes, just in case.
What about shoes?
I'll wear sneakers. They're comfortable.
Great. You'll be walking a lot at the airport.
True. And during transit too.
Did you pack an extra t-shirt?
Yes, I put one in my carry-on bag.
Perfect. You're well prepared.
Thanks. I hope the flight won't be too tiring.
10. Preparing travel essentials.
Hello, do you have all your travel essentials ready?
I think so, but I'm doing one last check.
Good idea. What do you have so far?
My phone, wallet, and passport.
Great. What about your power bank?
Oh, I almost forgot.
See? That's why we check.
You're right. I'll pack it now.
Do you have your earphones?
Yes, I put them in my pocket.
And your travel documents?
All in this folder.
Perfect. Anything else?
Maybe a bottle of water.
Buy it after security.
Good idea. Thanks for the reminder. And that's the end of today's journey through the world of packing your luggage. The very first step of every adventure. You've just listened to 10 natural, practical, and realistic conversations that reflect exactly what we all experience before every trip. The last-minute checking, the "did I forget something" moment, the overpacking struggles, and the excitement that slowly builds as your suitcase finally closes. I hope these dialogues not only helped you learn useful English, but also brought back memories of your own travels. The places you've been, the people you've met, and the small stories hidden inside every journey. Remember, learning English is a lot like preparing a suitcase. You don't need to carry everything at once. You just need to take what matters. A little bit each day, a few sentences at a time, and soon you'll be ready to go anywhere with confidence. If today's video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves traveling. Your support helps us create more meaningful English learning journeys, right here on the Vibe English podcast. And this is just the beginning. In the next episode, we'll explore another essential part of the airport experience. So, stay tuned, stay curious, and get ready to travel a little further with your English. Thanks for spending your time with me today. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.